Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with gift card on Temu. So let's get into the video. Open up Temu and log into your account. So if you have an account, log into your account. So once you're on your account, you're logged in. So if you want to use your gift card to pay, so add something to your cart. So just add any item that you wish to purchase, just add it to your cart. So I've got this here on my cart here. So I'm going to hit on this checkout option. And then I'm going to go to continue to checkout. So when I get to this checkout option here, so now if I have a Temu gift card, so what I can do, I can simply add my gift card code here and hit on apply to redeem my gift card. So if I have a Temu gift card, I can simply do that. Just enter the code here and then hit on apply, and that will redeem. And based on your card's balance, you'll see the price amount. Okay. Or else if you have other gift cards, then what you can do, scroll down to payment method, hit on the card option and simply type in the card details of your gift card. So whatever gift card you have, just type in the details of it and then hit on submit order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.